Advantage Powersports just built a brand new showroom. And yeah, it's huge.
Here at Advantage Powersports, we have a 12,000 square foot showroom with 6 different brands, and my eye is on this out.
I mean, just look at this place.
We stock parts from basic needs all the way to rebuilding engines.
We also have a wide array of apparel and gear from street to off-road usage.
Here at Advantage Powersports, we have one of the largest service departments in the Midwest. We can handle anything from a routine oil change to a full customization.
So come visit us at Advantage Powersports, because here, adventure begins.